Look at that. That looks so natural. Like I said, you don't have to wear it with a middle part. You can definitely wear it as a flip over. You can wear it on the side.